Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We are going to be looking at how to earn money online, and we're going to be looking at how you can earn $10 a day. And I'm going to show you a website where you can go and do this with no experience at all, and you'll be able to start near enough straight away. Also, stay tuned right to the very end where I'm going to show you where you can actually go and earn $20 today. In the next few hours, you can actually go and earn $20 just like that. And I'm going to show you that right at the end of the video as well. So stay tuned, and we're going to go through this. I'm going to show you where and how you can go and earn $10 a day at least, and that's minimum. So stay tuned, and we're going to go through it right now. Okay guys, so we've come on to the website I'm going to use to show you how you can go and easily earn $10 a day here, guys. And this is people per hour. And basically, you can go and sign up as a freelancer, and you'll need no experience whatsoever to do this. And I'll show you need no experience to do this whatsoever. And that project we're going to look at today is actually removing the background off of images. It's a simple process, guys, and anybody can do it easily. As you can see here, I've typed in on the people per hour website, remove image background. And as you can see, there are plenty of people on here posting jobs and saying they can do this for you for a particular sum of money. And here's remove the background for 25 images, and you're going to get £10 for that. Well, £10 is obviously more than $10 anyway. So that's probably more like $14. So as you can see, you've only got to get one of these jobs per day to actually turn around and actually earn your $10 a day. And of course, there's nothing to stop you obviously earning more than one of these jobs per day and doing other jobs as well. There might be something you are skilled at that you can actually then obviously leverage on your account as well. So all you've got to do is, so if you look at this account here, and once you've signed up for your free account, you can actually go and you can actually replicate what he's got on his profile. And as you can see here, he's got his skills, he's got his freelancer, and he's got obviously all his jobs here as well. And as you can see here, he's got obviously on this remove the background, he's actually sold 730 jobs, which is phenomenal. And that's posted since the 5th of May. That's literally 16 days. So if you work that out, guys, he's actually got about 40 jobs per day. So he's actually earning over £400 per day doing this simple job, guys. And there's another one here. He's obviously put another one up here, and that's he's already sold 43 jobs on that one there as well. He's just doing this simple task and earning a fortune, guys, per day. And like I say, you could quite easily do this, set this up, get going, and straight away you could easily start earning $10, $20, $30 per day. So I know what you're going to say next is, how do we go? I've got no experience. How do I go and remove the background from an image? Well, that's pretty simple. I'm going to show you that very shortly. And also, don't forget, I'm also going to show you how you can go and earn $20 in the next hour, literally by just clicking and watching a few videos, guys. So stay tuned for that right at the very end of this video as well. Okay, so let's go and show you how you can actually easily recreate this job and get paid up to, like this guy here is getting paid up to $400 plus £400 plus per day. Okay, so the site we're going to go and use is called remove.bg. Okay, so we just click on that, and this is a website here. It's free to use, guys. Look, 100% automatically and free. Okay, so remove the background image. So all we've got to do is go and select our image. So just to prove that this will work. So let me go and just select an image. So if we click on upload image, and then I'll just move to, let's get an image that's maybe on my desktop. So let's look at this image here. It's a friend of mine who I do some work with occasionally. And as you can see, all I've done is uploaded the image, and boom, literally within seconds, it has removed the background. Okay, so that is absolutely super cool, isn't it, guys? That's how easy it is to do it. It really is that simple. And then all you have to do is obviously download that image and save as a PNG file. And as you can see, it automatically saves it as a PNG file. And there you have it. you've got automatically taken the background out of that image. It's as simple as that, guys. Now all you need to do is crack over to people per hour and obviously click on the sign up button here. And then you also want to do I want to work as a freelancer, and then just click on that, add in some of your details, and like I say, go through other people's profiles, have a look at what they've got on their profiles, set it up very similar, and then obviously you can post this job that you are going to be able to provide this service for someone. You'll be able to do this work very, very easily and obviously get paid. Now, once you've got your profile up and running and you've got everything set up, obviously you need to get some eyes on your post so that people can then buy your actual project that you're actually got on your profile. And you can do that obviously by sharing the project. You can share it on social media platforms. You could do it in Facebook groups. You could go on to Twitter and LinkedIn, places like that. LinkedIn's a good one because you've got businesses on there, so they're looking to have corporate images done, and they'll probably want the background removed for certain things. So that's a very good place to go and find them. Also, another good place to go and find them is on some of the forums. Okay, and you can go and find plenty of forums, just googling them, and then you can go and join the forum, and then you can actually post your project, or you can go and hunt out people who are actually asking to have images created or images changed and the background removed, things like that. So very, very simple to go and get work. You can actually go and earn quite a bit of money here, guys, once you actually get recognized for a particular project, because people who do this will probably come back again and again and again once they start using you. Now, obviously, if this doesn't cut your mustard, or you're starting this from scratch, but you also want something to work alongside it while you're building this up, I would totally recommend going to check out this next thing I'm going to mention. And even in their free training, if you go through their free training, you will also receive $20 into your account straight away. So all you've got to do is go over to their site, go through some of their training, and some of their training is actually going to go through how you can get traffic. So if you can then use that traffic to drive it to your actual project, so it's a win-win situation, guys. Go and take their free training, get paid to take their free training at $20, and then use that training to go and obviously use it to promote your job or your business that you're setting up on the people per hour. How are you going to do that? Obviously, if you look at the link below here, my #1 recommendation, check that out, and then you'll be taken to this page here, which will actually give you access. It shows you how you can earn up to $48,000 in 1 year just by sharing a Facebook group. And it's a Facebook group. You get access into the Facebook group as well. But what you also do is you also get access to the system, which is the OLSP system. And remember, guys, this is all totally free. You'll get access to the bootcamp straight away. You've got these 15 videos here. Okay, so you just literally just got to look through those, and then you will actually get your commissions, $20 commissions, dropped inside the commissions area right here. Then obviously once that you've done that, all of these other tabs will then open up, and you will actually be able to go through more of the training, which tells you all about traffic and all free methods about traffic, and how to build a business, and also how to use affiliate marketing with that business as well. So you've got another income stream that you could use as well. So it's all great if you want to if you're going to start out online and look to make money online. So make sure that you let us know in the comments below that you're going to just check out people per hour, or maybe let us know that you're going to go and check out the OLSP system as well and earn your $20, and just post in the comments below. Obviously, within the OLSP system, I will be there and I'll be able to guide you all the way through the training. If you've got any questions or anything like that, you can just obviously post them here, or obviously you can connect with me on Facebook and things like that. Okay, so I trust you found that interesting and useful. If you did, obviously give us a big thumbs up in the comments and underneath the video. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make new videos. Don't forget to check out this video next, and we will see you on the next video.